Okay, got my Old Town pack. I got this used. It was pretty good condition, but these seats will just dry rot and crack over time, as you can see here. Now you can buy the whole seat and replace it for about 50 bucks, or you can get this already woven and the stuff to replace in this groove for about 15 bucks and do it yourself. And that's what we're going to do today. First I'm going to get that seat out of the Canoe and put it on like a workmate, make it easier to work on. Alright, now we've got the damaged seat out. And you can tell it's just... So what we're going to do is work on getting this edge piece out here pried up. I'm use a little screwdriver to do that. I'll get it clamped in here though. That'll make it easier to work on. This stuff is definitely glued in there. So, and I don't have a chisel thin enough for this, and I did see one online for like 20 bucks, and I thought, I'll use a screwdriver. And if I was going to do this again, I would definitely get this special chisel just for this. But I'll make do with this screwdriver, and we'll keep on going. Okay, we've got got the groove cleaned out, smooth. There's all the gunk that came out of it. It's a bit of a pain to get out, but it's out. We've got our cane's been soaking in water for a while, just to make it a little bit more pliable, and then our edge stuff as well. So we'll go ahead and get this out and get it going. This there. I'm going to pull out some of these little edge pieces. That'll do it. We'll glue around and smack it around, see what it does. Alright. Now if you look at this, I don't know if you'll be able to see here. That's got a bit bit of a profile on top of radius and then flat on the bottom. So we're going to leave the radius on top, jam the flat down in there. Let's pull it a little bit this way, so I need to hopefully that'll hold everything where I need it while I'm hammering it in. Retain my seat. Video. Oh, well, they're barking down neighbors, or else I found a video. You're gonna do what? I'm gonna burn my money. Fake money. No, don't do that. I'm just pretending. Oh. Alright, we'll let that dry and see how it turns out. Okay, here's the finished seat. The blues had time to dry and I've trimmed up around the edge. Nice and comfortable, like it should be. Alright, this is something I had never done before, and I was kind of skeptical at the way it was going to work out. It actually turned out quite nicely. A couple things, I wish I'd spent the $24, whatever it was, for the special chisel to get out the stuff, but it worked with the screwdriver. And secondly, when I started putting this in, it started turning everything crooked. So one of the things I did was get little sections and put them around the edges to hold everything in place while I put the one big piece on there. But I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out, and years from now, if I have to do it again, I'll definitely do it again and fix it. But the Canoe's back to having a nice seat. So as always, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Alright, here's the tools I use. Some drywall sandpaper stuff, sandpaper. Type Bond 3 Ultimate Wood Glue, supposed to be really good in wet environments. Phillips screwdriver and a 3/8 socket to get the seats off. A tiny little flat screwdriver to chisel out the stuff. Sponge, scissors, one of these breakaway knives, ball peen hammer, and a soft face hammer. So those are the tools I used.